about how to do hand massage. Hands are essentially important part of our body to do everything for every activity. Our fingers are starting and ending points of meridians. Starting from the middle of the wrist line all the way to the top of the thumb, where dark skin meets the inner white skin, it represents spine. Thumb represent the fire element, small finger represent the water element, ring finger represent the earth element, middle finger sky, index finger air. We start massaging the tips of the finger. It stimulates the brain activity. It increases the retention, thinking clear, and also clears the allergies. Massaging all the fingers balances all the 5 elements of the body, and very important to activate body's essential channels. It gives confidence, makes you more productive, efficient, and balances the body temperature also, and provides overall health. Massage 3 to 5 times every finger, starting from the base towards the tip, sliding with the other hand. Can also press below the nails on the outer sides, both the points at every finger. There are headache points on the ring finger nail and on the thumb nail. The web between the thumb and the index finger relieves the tension and helps you sleep better. At the base of the ring finger, there is a point to relieve the shoulder tension and elbow tension. In between the wrist bones, massaging helps in the better nerve conduction and better blood circulation towards the wrist area. Wrist area massage also helps in the joint pains and the corner at the base of the small finger. It relieves the anxiety, fear, and also helps in the weight loss. Massaging the wrist puts your lymph into proper circulation and blood flow. The tips can be further massaged a little bit more, 5 or 6 times, going at the point with the other hand, holding and supporting with your other hand's finger. Index finger is the small intestine meridian. Going down from outer side relieves the constipation. If you have a diarrhea, you go up from the inner side. You have to go 3 or 5 times to relieve the constipation. From the bladder point, you can massage inwards towards the water elements, small fingers, the pancreatic, kidney health points are there. It helps all the organs in the center. Heart normalizes the blood pressure, heart rate, and proper circulation. Maintains the liver and spleen functioning. Massaging the entire palm area across helps the tension and relaxes the diaphragm and relieves the bronchitis also. At the base of the fingers, the palm area, there are eyes, ear points, and they are very helpful to get proper blood circulation. Base of the thumb has appetite control and eating disorder points. It's essential to massage too. As you go up the spine towards the top of the thumb, below the nails on the inner side are the thyroid points. The thumb has papilla point, little bit of skin area raised, that if you press on that, supporting with the other hand for 10 seconds, it stimulates the brain further, the pineal, and helps balance your hormones also. Hormonal production is controlled through that in the brain. In general, the thyroid, adrenals, overall palm gets a hormonal balance. Massaging the entire palm area along with the fingers, thumb, wrist area, it just freshens up a person, relieves fatigue, tones up the muscles, releases the joint pains, give you a confidence, make you more productive and efficient in doing everyday activities, more energy to do things, and balances the entire body functions and hormones too, and gives you a overall very healthy, fresh feeling, relaxed and ready to work more throughout the day. The anxiety point, to release the anxiety and fear, one has to press it around the wrist. It all helps in proper conduction of nerves and proper circulation of blood through the body and relaxes you. Must tap it side to side. Pull your fingers from each hand. Rotate the wrist at the end. Tap it the inner side and the outside twice. You're relaxed, energetic, and ready to go for the day to work actively. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for video notifications.